Hi, my name is Abdulkadir. I'm a cybersecurity creator and an SQL database expert. I recently tested Stellar Repair for MS SQL while working with a corrupted MDF file. At first, I tried the standard scan, and to be honest, I wasn't expecting much from this, but was able to successfully repair the database without me needing an advanced scan. After exporting the repaired database and matching it to its original, everything aligned perfectly. The data, the table, the structure, everything matched absolutely perfectly. From a user's perspective, what stood out for me was how straightforward the process was. You activate your software, you import the corrupted MDF file, then you run a scan. Then you review the object and recover the database without any complex steps. So, if you're dealing with SQL database corruption, like suspect mode or logical consistency based IO errors, and so on, and native DBCC CHECKDB methods aren't enough, then this is a tool worth considering to reduce downtime and also recover data safely.